So, guys, today I am literally going to hold your hand and take you through the process of how you can create ultra cinematic food commercial ads like this. Yes, using AI, even if you're a total beginner, which is why you need to stay to the end of this video. In fact, you can actually do this for your own products. No need to pay for ads or expensive camera or studio, or no need to waste money to create ads. Nobody is paying for advertisement these days. You can do that using AI. This is what AI can do. Meet me for the first time. Hi, I'm your YouTube big sister, and all I do on this channel is to help you with your AI tutorials and your YouTube automation. So do well to like this video and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. And I also want to inform you that the registration for the AI and business class is still ongoing. So if you want to join us today, click on the link in the description box so you can access it and grab your slots. And remember, we have just limited slots available and you can't afford to miss this class. You just can't. So guys, without much ado, let's dive in straight into the class. So guys, the first step is to generate our prompts. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to be making use of ChatGPT to generate the prompts, right? So I'll head over to ChatGPT, tap on it, and paste in this prompt. If you want to access this prompt, do well to join the community, the Telegram community. That's where you can access this prompt and the other prompts I've been using in my tutorials. So the link to the Telegram community is in the description box. You can tap on it and join us today. So I told ChatGPT that I want you to write a premium ultra cinematic AI image generation prompt for a high-end beverage advertisement inspired by global brands like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and Sprite. So this particular ad is for drinks, right? Some people can make their own to be makeup, you can make your own to be food, you can make your own to be any art of your choice, right? But me, I want for drink company, right? So what I would do is to paste this here and allow ChatGPT generate the prompts for me. And as you can see, it is generating the prompt, and this is so beautiful. So guys, here are the prompts ChatGPT gave us, and as you can see, it gave us up to six image prompts. So the next step is to generate our images using these prompts. Please feel free to use any image generator of your choice, be it Flow AI, be it Google Gemini, be it Grok AI, be it ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT can generate realistic images for you. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of both ChatGPT and Google Gemini. The aim is to show you the difference between the images generated with Google Gemini and the images generated with ChatGPT. So we are going to generate the first two images with ChatGPT, and we are going to generate the rest of the images using Google Gemini. So what we are going to do is to copy this particular prompt, which is the first prompt, copy it to the last. Then we now have to paste it here, and we now type generate. Then we just have to put it, because this is for YouTube, right? Then the aspect ratio will be 16:9. So we just say make it 16:9 aspect ratio. Then you now click on this place and allow it generate the image for you. It generates realistic images, and that's the difference between ChatGPT and other image generators. So let's just see what it will give us. Then move over to image 2. So guys, can you see that this is so realistic? It just followed our prompts and everything. So for the image 2, we are going to go over to the second prompt, click on it and paste, just like the way we did for the first one. So copy from here to here, yes, and copy. Now put it here. Now say generate. Then we now click on this place and allow it to generate our second image for us. So guys, can you see this? This is so beautiful. What we have to do to save our image, we have to long press and click on save, and voila, your images will be downloaded into your device. So to generate the fourth image, to generate the third image, we are going to make use of Google Gemini, right? So what we have to do is to go over to the third image prompt, copy it, then head over to Google Gemini and generate it. And you are going to be making use of 9 by 16, which is for TikTok. That's TikTok size, right? How to access Google Gemini is to go to your Play Store or you go to your Apple Store and you log in, right? Then you now click on this place and you write generate, and the aspect ratio you will change it to make it to be 16, no, 9 by 16. Then you now click on this place and allow it to generate your image for you. So guys, can you see this? This is so beautiful. This is so nice. So to save this, we have to click this and click on save. Then we have to generate the remaining images using Google Gemini. So we have to go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt and paste it. So this is the fourth prompt. I'll just have to copy this and go over to Google Gemini, add it here, and now say generate a vibrant, then I'll now have to click on this place and allow it to generate my fourth image for me. So guys, can you see that this one is what? A fruit juice. Yes, this is a fruit juice. For the next thing, I've already copied it, so I'll just paste it here and I say generate. Then I want this one to be TikTok size. I'll be like, make it 9 by 16. Then I'll click on this place and allow it to generate my image for me. So between the images generated by Google Gemini and the one generated by ChatGPT, which one do you prefer? Which one do you think is more realistic? I want to know your thoughts in the comment section. And also, if you have watched up to this point, do well to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is dropped. So like I told you earlier on, you don't need to pay for ads or you don't need to pay anybody to run your ads. You can run ads with AI. You just need to know how to navigate it, how to create simple prompts, and you are good to go. Can you see that this is looking so real, right? So to save it, we have to long press and save. So we go back to the next step, which is the most important step in this tutorial. So before we move over to the next step, this is the last image and this one is water. You can advertise your table water with AI. I keep saying this. This is so nice. This is so beautiful. So to save it, the same process. You long press and save. I think I'm falling in love with Google Gemini. Honestly, I am. So guys, for the next step, we need to get our motion prompts. By motion prompt, I mean we have to make these particular images we generated, we have to give them life, we have to make them move. Do you understand? That's what makes the difference. So we have to go back to ChatGPT and tell it, give give me motion prompts for each image prompt, right? Then we now have to click on this place and allow it generate our motion prompts for us. And it doesn't take time. ChatGPT, that's why I love it. And as you can see, it is generating the motion prompt for us. So guys, to animate our images, I'm going to make use of Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI is an AI platform that helps you to animate your video images, and this is very good. I would like to tell you that Hailuo AI has both the pro and the free version. Yes, it has both the pro version and the free version, but believe me, it gives good motion to your images, right? So this is the best app you can use for this particular ads. Yes, this is the best app you can use, the best AI app you can use for this particular for this particular ads. Feel free to use any video generator of your choice, right? Feel free to use any video generator of your choice, be it Flow AI, Grok AI, just feel free. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be making use of Hailuo AI. So to access it, you have to come over to your Chrome browser and you will type in Hailuo AI official website. And when you tap on it, it will take you straight to Hailuo AI. And what you do, this particular app here, this particular icon here, tap on it, it will log you in straight into Hailuo AI, and this is what the interface looks like. And when you come to this place, please do well to sign up with your Google account or your email account. And yes, when you're signing up for the first time, you'll get free credits. Yes, this is how this app works, and I've used it and it is so amazing, guys. It is so amazing. So to animate our image, the first thing is to bring in our images. But before that, I would do well to explain this particular framework for you. This particular Hailuo AI. Alright, so we have to bring in our images. To do that, we have to click on this start frame. And when you click on this start frame, you will import your image. So the first image we generated with ChatGPT was the image of Coca-Cola. So we just tap on it and it will come up here. And we now have to go back to ChatGPT, copy our motion prompt and paste it. You understand? You go over to ChatGPT, copy the motion prompt it gave you, and you now paste it. So this is it. This is the motion prompt. I'll copy it, go over to this place and paste it. And when you paste it, you click on, and please make sure you choose one, because if you choose two or three or four, it will give you, if you choose two, it will give you two videos. If you choose three, it will give you three videos. If you choose four, it will give you four videos. So please make sure you choose one, because we are managing our credits, right? And when you do that, you now click on create and it will start creating for you. It doesn't take time. Yes, it doesn't. So let's wait for it. So guys, our video is ready. Let me play it for you guys to see. Here. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yes, this is an ad. This is how it is. So this is beautiful. We go ahead to add motion prompt to the second, third, and fourth images. Because we are using the free version, there will be watermark. So we will do well to remove it during the editing. So to download it, see this download icon here. You click on it and you now click. There are two options presented to you: without watermark or with watermark. Since we're using the free version, you will choose with watermark, right? And it will be downloaded into your device. That is it. So let's go ahead to animate the rest of the images. So to animate the second image, you have to click on start frame and import the second image we generated. So here it is, the image of our lemon lime drink, right? We now have to go over to ChatGPT, copy the motion prompt it gave us for this our second image, which is this one. I'll just copy it to this place. Then I'll go over to Hailuo AI and click on this place and paste it, and now click on create and allow it to generate my video for me. So it is generating, as you can see. So guys, here is the second image, our second video. Can you see that? This is so realistic. This is so real. This can even pass for TV ads. Yes, if you learn this particular skill, you can be running ads for brands. You can be running ads for brands. There are many things you can do with AI beyond storytelling. Yes, I keep telling my students there are many things you can do with AI. You can monetize your AI skill beyond storytelling. Yes, so this is it. So to save this, you have to click on this arrow and click with watermark, and it will be saved into our device. So this is how I'll continue until all my images have been animated. Then we can now edit them together. So guys, the next step is to merge everything together and edit. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be making use of InShot, right? So when you get your InShot, you import the video you want to edit. Let's say for instance, I want to edit this particular one here. Then the aspect ratio, as we all know, is what, 16:9, which is YouTube size. Then we come over to this place, this watermark that is showing here. We have to bring this down, then use our hand to fill it up so that the watermark won't be showing. Remember what I told you in my previous video, watermark is not supposed to be shown in your videos so that you don't receive strikes from YouTube. And so you have to add your animations and things that can make your video to pop, right? So just play around with your editing and let me play the final results for you guys. Can you see that? So this is how to do it. You can do it with any product, be it skincare products, be it any, even food, beverages. You can do it. You can do your ads with AI. So guys, with that, we've come to the end of this class. If you know that you stayed up to this point, do well to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notifications so you do not miss out whenever a new video is dropped. Remember that the registration for the AI and business class is still ongoing, and the class will start on the 20th of May 2026. You can't just afford to miss out. I have pasted these prompts I used in this video on my Telegram community. You can tap on the link in the description box to access it. Also, I am available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. Do well to reach out to me through the email showing in my description box. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and bye.